Let's go! I got this. Let's go! Ah! First run, kind of rushed it, but we're gonna see. That felt good. That actually felt pretty good. Thank you. 10-4. Weak.
That one.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I ran 10-4 again. Can't get off the lawn. I thought I got off the lawn pretty good. Gonna have to tweak something. All right, y'all. Another run coming on. That felt amazing. Yeah! That's got to be quicker than I've ever ran. It's gotta be, bro. That got up out of there. Hell yeah. Let's see if my tweaks worked. Woo! Watch my tweaks didn't work. I need some air though. Yeah. Let's see what it did. Let's see what it did. I felt good about that run. I felt good about it. We're gonna see. Thank you. Fuck 10-0! Let's go! I cut fucking 0.4 off! We're right there! We're right there! A 10-0! 10-0! The car got it in it! Let's go! Ah! Let's get another run in, yo. Thank you. Yep, reverted back to 10-4. I knew my 60 foot was horrendous that time. Yeah, I didn't get off the line good at all. Did a 1.9. felt good right there. Thank you. Oh, let's see. 10-1.
There we are, ready.
All right. It's just scared.
Oh, it says that on here?
No. My car's used to it. You'll turn it off and turn it back on. It'll be alright.
For real?
Yeah. Thank you. Let's go! Let's fucking go! I got that shit! Let's go! Ah! 9-9! I don't care if it's a 9-9. It's a fucking 9. Let's go! Ah! Man, that was great. I got a... Woo! Yes! Yes! That was good. Thank you. Yeah, it's done. Woo! Ran nines today. Let's fucking go.